Want to stop people from screenshotting your private WhatsApp photos? I'll show you the only way to block screenshots, plus a hidden trick to make it even more secure. Let's dive in. Launch WhatsApp and open any chat, individual or group. Tap the camera icon to take a new photo or pick one from your gallery. Before sending, tap the one icon next to the caption box. This activates View Once mode. The photo will disappear after being opened, and screenshots are blocked on most phones. Hit Send. When the recipient opens it, they'll see a View Once label. If they try to screenshot, they'll get a black image or an error. Just protected your privacy? Drop a like. For more WhatsApp hacks, subscribe. I expose one security flaw every week.